Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G51 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find the system option. So let's scroll down to the very bottom. As you can see, on the fourth position we've got date and time, so simply tap on it, and here we've got the date, time and time zone options, which are inactive because we are using network provided time and time zone. So in order to set them manually, we have to turn off both of those options. And as you can see, right now the date is active, so let's tap on it, and here from this calendar we can pick the date we want to use. Simply tap on it and tap on OK. And the same situation with the time, simply tap on it and from the clock pick the time you'd like to set. And as you can see, it will be immediately applied and it will also immediately appear on the status bar. We can of course change the time zone, just tap on it, tap on the region, and as you can see here we've got the full list of all available regions from which we can choose. So of course it's up to you. All you have to do is to simply find the region you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick, for example, this one. Alright, so here we've got it. And after getting back, we can see that it has been changed. But of course, be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. And under it, we've got the third section actually, with the time format. So right now we are using local default. But if you'd like to manually, let's say, decide what kind of time format will be set, you can simply tap on this switcher to turn off the local default. And under it, we've got the option to use 24-hour format or 12-hour format. So if this option is disabled, it means that we are using 12-hour format. If you'd like to use 24-hour, just tap on the switcher right here and it will be immediately applied. So actually this is it. This is how to customize manually date and time. And of course you can get back to all previous settings whenever you want to. Just tap on this switcher to use local default, this one to use time zone, and network provided time. So actually this is it. This is how to change date and time in your Motorola Moto G51. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.